In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Chrome as a PDF viewer. Full guide. To begin, find any PDF file that is already saved on your computer. Just locate it so you can access the file options. Once you have found the PDF, move your cursor over the file and right-click it. Right-clicking opens a menu with different actions you can take for that specific file. In the menu that appears, look for the option called Open With. Move your cursor over Open With, and you should see a list of available apps on your computer. If Google Chrome appears in that list right away, you can select it from there. After selecting Choose Another App or Choose Default Program, a new window will appear with a list of applications. Look through the list and find Google Chrome. It may be listed simply as Google Chrome, and it may have the familiar Chrome icon next to it. Once you see it, click Google Chrome to select it. If the PDF opens successfully in Chrome, then you have confirmed that Chrome can be used as your PDF viewer. This is a convenient option because it keeps everything simple and familiar. You do not have to switch between multiple programs just to read a document. If you do not see Google Chrome in the list, make sure Chrome is installed on your computer. If it is installed but still not visible, it may appear under More Apps or a similar expanded list depending on your system. Take a moment to look through the available choices carefully. And that is all there is to it.